So my name is Joanna Liu, and I am the co-president of Sydney UAV Engineering and the project director of USYD Design Build.
My name is Joshua Calarapo, and I am one of the co-presidents of Sydney UAV Engineering and also one of the project directors of USYD DBF.
My name is Jacob James. I'm the Chief Engineer of the DBF project.
Hi, my name's Travis. I'm the current aerostructures lead for the University of Sydney's Design Build and Fly team.
I'm Kyle, I'm the aerostructures lead.
My name is Joshua Cade, and I am the co-lead of Flight Performance.
My name is Anna, and I am the lead for Flight Performance.
My name is Jessica Sell, and I am the co-lead for Payload Subsystem.
My name is Joseph Yo, and I'm the payload lead engineer.
My name is Audrey. I am the lab director in the manufacturing subsystem.
My name is Hugh Dillon, and I am the manufacturing director for the DBF team.
So as the co-president, I am responsible for overseeing the overall society. That includes management of Project Master, the operations team, as well as DBF engineering. And then as the project director, I am responsible for making sure that we're headed in the right direction, as well as the overall big picture plan.
So as co-president of SWAV, I'm able to oversee anything that the society does and making sure that it runs super smoothly. So anything to do with the events that the society holds, or taking care of the finances, and also managing the two engineering teams that come under it as well. As project director of DBF, I'm able to quite heavily involve myself with the engineering side of things and get involved with the competition that happens every single year. And that goes for both the engineering side of things and also operations. So being able to oversee both components is a really great thing to do.
So I oversee the engineering team. So all subsystems, payload, flight performance, aerostructures.
We're responsible for the aerodynamic and structural design of the UAV.
With my co-lead Kyle, where basically we divide them among 4 engineers for fuselage, 3 engineers for tail design, and 3 engineers for wing design. And basically we design the internal structures and aerodynamics correlating to all those design aspects.
My subsystem is responsible for choosing the electronics as well as optimizing it and optimizing the flight performance of the aircraft. So basically just doing a lot of the testing and analyzing of the data that we receive from.
So my subsystem is responsible for managing the payload delivery and payload, well, all aspects of payload, such as loading, design, insertion, and things like that.
My subsystem is responsible for the construction of the designs. So basically, once the design's been made, we create a jig for it and then cut all the pieces, assemble it all together, and make sure that it's up to a high quality standard so the plane flies really well.
So 2 things. The first thing would be the growth that I've achieved through being a part of this team. I have been immeasurably grateful for both the technical and the soft skills that I've developed, the cool aeroplane knowledge that I have been fortunate enough to learn, as well as being able to meet this amazing community of people that I've become good friends with. And then the second thing is seeing the work of this team as well as their growth as well. The work that they've been outputting has just been amazing, and the competition hasn't even started. So we're super keen to see how they go in this upcoming season.
Well, there's 2 parts of it. So for the first time, I'm getting quite involved with the SWAV side of things as co-president. So I'm able to meet a lot of new people that want to get involved with the engineering teams. People want to come and talk about UAVs or anything aeronautical engineering related. And it's super nice to see young students that want to get involved and want to apply what they learn in the classroom. As for DBF, the best thing definitely is being able to help out and solve the problems along with such a great team of engineers. And not just for the engineering side, but also with operations, like being able to boost our image within the engineering community and also globally as well, making sure that our image is amazing for when we go to comp, and making sure that every year we just have growth and we're improving upon, and we're also setting ourselves up for the future as well.
Best part of joining SWAV for me is not only learning a lot of new things, but being able to apply what I learn in class to a practical project. Also, great people, great time, really cool project.
You kind of get exposed to, I would guess, true engineering projects without the stress related to, like, say, assignments. So, like, when it comes to uni, when you're doing engineering and you're working on projects and assignments, you are getting that kind of application experience. However, when it comes to the thing of you're under pressure, you always have the stress of, am I going to get a good mark? You kind of don't tend to enjoy it or appreciate it as much. Whereas with opportunities like the DBF team or Project Faster, you're able to work on something cool, you're able to apply your engineering knowledge and skills without having that true pressure. It's more of a thing of you're able to smell the roses while doing what you truly love, and that's building, creating some really cool stuff.
Definitely all the friends and people I meet. I made a lot of friends that I see outside of just doing DBF work. You can chat to them.
The best part of joining SWAV would be people. The management team is absolutely wonderful. Josh, Joe, Jacob, everybody. So we've got that really good support network above us. And then, of course, the engineers below, the team below is exceptionally wonderful. Super fun to be around, very enthusiastic. And of course, got a great code lead. So yeah, so it's just be that support network around.
Best part for me is probably just learning from everyone. Because everyone's so good, just like learning from everyone and working as a team together and collaborating, and everyone's really lovely and nice people. Also have lots to share and lots to learn of.
To win. Seriously though, I think that last season we achieved some amazing results. So myself and the team are super keen to do even better this season. So that means optimizing and improving our design and manufacturing process and making sure that the subsystems are working at their top capacity.
So last year for the USYD DBF team, I was the chief engineer and I was part of the team that for the first time went to America and was able to compete on an international scale. And we're super proud of all the achievements that we got, especially being the first ranked rookie team and also the first ranked team across all of the Asia Pacific region as well. This year, being project director of DBF, I think we can improve on those results quite heavily. The rules this year caters to our abilities quite well, and it's I think the abilities that we've built over the last year or so, we're able to apply quite well to these rules, and I think being able to win the competition worldwide is a very real possibility. I think it's something that all of us are aiming for. Especially because now we've got an incredible team of engineers as well that are super committed, super keen to get going with the comp. So yeah, I think that we're able to do really, really well next year, and we're definitely aiming for first place overall.